Good morning, welcome back. Now we are moving to the consonant sounds. Now, before that we discuss what are the letter form and its equal sound. Now we are moving to English grammar, English phonetics. We are having only two things, vowels and consonants. First we are going to discuss the consonants. Consonants can be divided into two types, namely voiceless and voiced. Voiceless and voiced. What is consonant sound? It is a speech sound. There will be some abstraction while producing it. Now can be divided into two, voiceless, voice. This is voiceless and this is voiced. Yip, yib, it, yid, yik, yig, yit, yid, ich, ij, if, yiv, ish, is, ish, is, yih. Can we have one example for each? Pen. This is what you call pen. Book. Book. 10. Take. 2. Dog. Dog. Do. Did. Done. Like this. C sound equal to C, you can say, you can use ik sound. This is the letter form, this is the sound form. Ka, come. Cake, come. Cake. God, God. Give, gow. This, it, this. Them, they, chance, chance. I have a chance to talk. I have a chance to talk. Joy, boy, oi, joy. Here, if sound, fan, ordinary, fan. Here, van, van. Here, shoes, shoes. Zoom, zoom. Sure. Here, measure, treasure, treasure. Here, how many, how much, how you. Like this. This will have no equal voiced sound, but this will have only voice. This will not have no voiceless sound. Here, yim, moon. These three things are nasal sound. These three things are nasal sound. Mother, mother, moon, noon, night. This is ending sound. Ring, ring, wing, bring, swing, king, drink. Like this. This is a ill sound. Lateral sound. La, la, love, like, ladder, ladder, yes. You have to pronounce like this. Yes, but we are pronouncing yes, this is wrong way. You have to use yes, yellow, young, young. Like this you have to pronounce. The last letter is W, what, when, where, like this. So with this we have completed all the consonant sounds, both voiced and voiceless. Now I'm going to teach you the meanings of voiced and voiceless. Voice, it is a speech sound. It is a speech sound. There will be vibration. There will be vibration while producing it. For example, book, boy, bad, dog, God, them, like this. As a contrary to the voiced one, this is voiceless, just like a contraction. It is a speech sound. There will be now vibration while producing it. For example, pen, take, come, fan, shoe, how, like this. So these things are coming under both voiced and voiceless. With this we have completed both vowel sound and consonant sound, vowel letters and consonant letters. With this, let's wind up this discussion. Thank you all.